Hello friends, today we will see some points regarding applications of Fourier Transform. A glimpse about Fourier Transform. Fourier Transform is a mathematical transform that decomposes functions depending on space or time into functions depending on spatial or temporal frequency. Functions that are localized in the time domain have Fourier transforms that are spread out across the frequency domain and vice versa. Fourier transform and audio signal processing. An audio signal processing is a complex signal composed of multiple signal frequency sound waves which travel together as a disturbance pressure change in the medium. When sound is recorded, we only capture the resultant amplitudes of those multiple waves. Fourier transform is a mathematical concept that can decompose a signal into its constituent frequencies. Fourier transform doesn't just give the frequencies present in the signal, it also gives the magnitude of each frequency present in the signal. This is how the time domain is converted into the frequency domain and vice versa. Signal processing. Fourier transformation is also useful as a compact representation of a signal processing. In signal processing, it is taken a function from the time domain into the frequency domain. It is a decomposition of a function into sinusoidal of different frequencies. In the case of Fourier series or discrete Fourier transform, the sinusoidals are harmonics of the fundamental frequencies of the function being analyzed. When a function s of t is the function of time and represents a physical signal, the transformer has a standard transposition as the frequency spectrum of the signal. The magnitude of the resulting complex valued function s of f at frequency represent f, and the amplitude of the frequency component whose initial phase is given by the angle of s of f polar coordinates. Fourier transform in a cell phone. The principle of Fourier transform is used in signals such as sound produced by musical instrument, for example piano, violin, drum. Any sound recording can be represented as the sum of collection of sine and cosine waves with various frequencies and amplitudes. This collection of waves can then be multiplied or manipulated with relative cases. Our mobile phone has performing Fourier transform. Every mobile device such as notebook, tablet and the cell phone have been built in a high-speed cellular connection, just like Fourier transform. Humans very easily perform it mechanically every day. For example, when you are in a room with a great deal of noise and you will selectively hear your name above the noise, then you just performed Fourier transform. Thank you one and all.